Welcome to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into what we believe is one of the best fall flags for outside decoration, the AVOIN colorlife Fall Pumpkin Welcome Garden Flag. If you're looking to add a warm, festive touch to your outdoor space this autumn, this flag might just be what you need. First off, this garden flag measures 12 by 18 inches, making it a perfect size to display on your porch, patio, deck, or garden. The design features a charming fall pumpkin theme with a cozy buffalo plaid background, which instantly brings the spirit of autumn and Thanksgiving right to your yard. The colors are rich and vibrant, with a classic orange pumpkin that really pops against the plaid, adding a welcoming vibe to any outdoor setting. What makes this flag stand out is its durability. It's made from spun polyester, a material known for being both weather-resistant and machine-washable. This means you don't have to worry about it fading or wearing out quickly from rain, wind, or sun exposure. The flag also features double stitching along multiple rows, which gives it extra strength and longevity. The sleeve hanger at the top is designed to fit standard flagpoles or stands, making installation easy and hassle-free. Just slide it onto your existing pole, and you're all set. Another key feature is that this flag is double-sided. This means the design is printed on both sides and can be seen clearly from any direction. Plus, the text reads correctly on both sides, so your guests will always get the full welcome message no matter which way they approach. This flag is also lightweight, weighing just about 8 ounces, so it won't weigh down your flagpole or stand. It's easy to take down and store when the season changes, and since it's machine washable, you can keep it looking fresh year after year. While the package includes just the one flag, you can pair it with any standard garden flagpole or display stand you might already have. The flagpole itself is not included, so just keep that in mind when ordering. In terms of design versatility, it fits perfectly with other fall and Thanksgiving decorations. Whether you have a rustic farmhouse vibe or a modern outdoor setup, the warm colors and classic pumpkin image bring a cozy and inviting feel to your outdoor decor. So if you want to welcome guests with a seasonal touch that's both beautiful and built to last, the AVOIN colorlife Fall Pumpkin Welcome Garden Flag is a solid choice. It combines quality craftsmanship, easy installation, and eye-catching design in one affordable package. Thanks for watching Product Critique. If you enjoyed this review, don't forget to like and subscribe for more honest product insights. Happy decorating and enjoy your beautiful fall season.